Welcome to Daily English.
Listen and practice. King Charles and Queen Camilla have become the new king and queen. They are returning to Buckingham Palace in the special Gold State Coach, a beautiful car from 1762, after their coronation ceremony at Westminster Abbey. This amazing car, which needs 8 horses to pull, has been used by British monarchs since King William IV's coronation in 1831. Queen Elizabeth rode in the Gold State Coach for her coronation in 1953. In June 2022, it was seen again during her Platinum Jubilee pageant. The horses pulling it today have unique names like Icon, Shadow, Milford, Haven, Newark, Echo, Knightsbridge, Meg, and Tyrone. Although the Gold State Coach is old and uncomfortable, it is historically significant. Queen Elizabeth and Queen Victoria complained about its comfort, and King William IV compared it to a boat in rough waters. Edward Fitzalan-Howard, who is organizing the coronation, shared that, after the ceremony, the royal couple will return to Buckingham Palace with a grand parade. They will show the best of British celebration, he said in a video on Twitter. For their journey to Westminster Abbey, King Charles and Queen Camilla used the newer Diamond Jubilee State Coach, made in 2012 to honor Queen Elizabeth's 60th year on the throne. This car was first used in June 2014. People believe it's a much better ride than the Gold State Coach, as it offers air conditioning, heating, and a smoother experience. Question 1. Which car did King Charles and Queen Camilla use to return to Buckingham Palace after their coronation ceremony? Question 2. How many horses are needed to pull the Gold State Coach? Question 3. Which British monarch first used the Gold State Coach for their coronation? Question 4. What did King William IV compare the Gold State Coach ride to? Question 5. When was the Diamond Jubilee State Coach first used?
Please don't forget to let us know your score in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like, comment, and share. Click for more useful videos.